Please check out my online shop sa Shopee, Mystic Queen PH for protection and prosperity items, bracelets, and zodiac sign bracelets na perfect pang regalo ngayong holiday season. Dahil bukod sa mga vouchers na available para sa inyo, may 25% discount din tayo sa lahat ng items until November 30, 2023. So grab this opportunity at padaluyin ng swerte sa pagsalubong ng taong 2024. Check out nyo na yan. Lahat ng links ay nasa description. Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 27 to December 3, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. So let's see, Aquarius. What is your energy for this week? You have the Hanged Man. Merong pause, pagtigil. So, maaring meron kayong itinigil muna na gawin. This can be your projects or business. Or maaring meron kayo kasi ngayong pinag-aaralan, pinag-iisipan. Some of you, maaring meron din kayong iniiwasan na tao, no? Iniiwasan na connection. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Aquarius? You have the Two of Pentacles. Okay, some of you are becoming very busy nung mga nakaraan. Kaya siguro ngayon, medyo meron kayong mga ititigil muna na pinagkakaabalahan. Maaring sineset nyo yung priorities ninyo, inaayos nyo, minamanage nyo yung oras ninyo. Maaring kasing masyado ng maraming nangyayari. Marami ng mga ganap. Oo. Lalo na sa trabaho, yung iba maraming sources of income or nagmo-multitask. So, naghahanap kayo ngayon ng break. You want a break. Okay. Let's see your, this is your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Aquarius? Opportunity. Okay, the world. Oh. You have the opportunity to go global. Oh, diba? Iba may opportunity na mag-abroad or magkaroon ng opportunity. Puro opportunity. Magkaroon ng pagkakataon na makapag trabaho sa ibang bansa, sa ibang lugar, malayo sa dati mong kinalalagyan. Yung iba naman, this is also about culmination, yung pagtatapos. So, maaring meron kang tatapusin or matatapos na project, can be a contract, and this will open up new beginnings for you. Okay? So, let's see your blessing. Ano naman yung blessing ng mga Aquarius. What is the blessing? The blessing is the Four of Coins, financial stability. This is also savings. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging focus kayo sa pagsasave ng money at pag-aayos, no? Pag-aayos ng inyong financial situation, no? Ng finances ninyo. Yung iba bibili ng properties or merong mga importanteng bagay kayo na pagkakagastusan sa bahay, pero itong bibilhin nyo na to or pagkakagastusan nyo is magiging asset ninyo. So, ibig sabihin, can be, mag-generate rin siya ng income, no? Pwedeng business ito na pwedeng gawin sa bahay lang or a job na pwedeng gawin sa bahay lang. So, let's see your love life. Ano naman yung energy sa love life ng mga Aquarius? Love life ng mga Aqua. Manifest. You are manifesting a person in your life. Keep manifesting. You also have, oh my God, Aquarius, meron kayong minamanifest na bumalik. Sa buhay nyo. Bakit? Medyo karmic tong relationship na to. But of course, lahat naman ng ng relationship, meron niyang lessons na binibigay sa atin. So, maaring meron ka pang kailangang lesson na matutunan dito sa relationship na to. Oh my God, look at that, the devil. Can be a toxic relationship. Alam nyo na toxic na to, pero you still want to be in this relationship. Dahil, minsan, pag masyadong smooth sailing ang relationship, yung iba naboboard. Gusto nila may challenge, gusto nila exciting, may away, may selosan. Oo. See, Nine of Swords, Knight of Cups. Some of you are in an on and off relationship. Kahit na nakaka-stress, kumbaga kahit nakaka-stress tong person that you are dealing with or yung mismong relationship ninyo, parang nag-enjoy yung iba sa inyo. I don't know, bakit? Para kasing you are dealing with someone na mabulaklak ang kanyang yung pananalita niya, madali kayong ma-convince. Or pwedeng energy niya rin to na gusto nyo yung person that you are dealing with kahit na may pagka-stressful yung connection. There's also obsession here. So, pwedeng ikaw yung obsessed sa person na to or yung person ay obsessed sa'yo. Tapos, hindi mo kayang ma-let go pa. So, sa career naman o may mentorship, maaring you are going to be guided by a teacher, a trainer, na tutulong sa'yo na mas mapaunlad yung career mo. O adulting, yung iba sa inyo bubukod na. Mas magiging independent kayo ngayon sa pag-handle ng inyong finances. Yung tipong hindi umaasa sa iba. Yes, you are upgrading. Yung iba sa inyo, you are your own boss. Meron kayong sariling business or you are self-employed. So, nag-upgrade ang inyong career, ang inyong financial situation. So, kayo ay mas nagmamature na ngayon. You have the Four of Swords. You are healing from a difficult situation sa career, sa business. You also have the Strength card. Yung lakas mo, yung lakas ng loob mo, yung courage mo, yan yung nagdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. Yung pagiging malakas ang loob. You also have the Four of Wands. Stability talaga for some of you, Aquarius. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong mabibiling property or lilipat kayo ng bahay na mas maganda yung situation, living condition ninyo. Ganda. So, let's see your self-care message. Ano yung self-care message for Aquarius? Wow, success! Today is a really good day. You're in the flow. Yan. Problems are solved quickly and easily. Helpful people show up for you and unexpected gifts fall into your lap. Wow. So, ayun na nga, helpful people, yung nabanggit ko sa inyo. Mentor, merong teacher, merong guide na tumutulong sa inyo, especially in your career. So, I think mas blessed kayo ngayon sa career. Okay? So, samantalahin nyo yan sa career and finances. So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.